Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Alibele hair right here. This is what the hair looks like straight from the box. Guys, look at the hairline. I'm quite a huge fan of the hairline, and I like the fact that everything has been done straight from the box, and I also like the lace that comes with the wig as well. Look at that, guys. I am a huge fan of the hairline, and the hair is actually in the length 24 inches. It has 3 comb at the front and 1 comb at the back, and that's what the hair looks like. So I put the hair on my head just to show you guys what the hair looked like before doing anything to the hair. So when I wore the cap on my head, I thought I needed to, cut the lace a little bit just to be able to see what I'm doing. I quite like the color of the lace. It's very close to my skin tone. So when I'm done with cutting the lace, then I decided to go on and apply my, what's it called? Bold ghost bond glue. But before then, I put the hair away from my face, just to secure the hair at the back and make sure that nothing gets into the glue. So when I'm done with that, then I apply about 2 layers of the ghost bond glue on my head. I did it lightly, and yeah, I applied that twice, yeah, like 2 layers of that. So next, I placed the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. So there were like 1 or 2 spots that were not dry because I waited for a while, but it was not just drying. I just went ahead and applied the mousse anyway. So I applied the mousse on the hair, but not on the areas where I applied the glue because it might leak. I left the scarf on for about 5 minutes just to make sure that the hair is laying flat on my head. After 5 minutes, I took the scarf off, and voila, guys, the lace is melted. Yeah, melted into my skin. I quite like how well the hair laid flat on my head. Even straight from the box, you can tell that the hair was really flat, and which was quite you know good for me to lay it even more flatter on my head. It makes it easy anyway, if that's the point. It made it easier. So I cut off the excess lace from the wig and you guys what the hair looks like after cutting the lace. I am a huge fan of the hairline. It's not those kind of hairline that looks round like circle when you cut your lace. Yeah, but the hairline was really nice. If you guys can tell, I was cutting in a zigzag motion because you don't want that round pot kind of look face on your head. So that's what the hairline looks like. I really quite like the way it looks on me. It is melted. The lace is melted, guys. I really love it. But if you're the type that you like your what's it called, your hair to be plucked more than that, you can pluck it more, but for me, I'm just happy with the way the hairline is anyway. So yeah, look at that, guys. There was no need for me to apply gel, or there was no need for me to apply foundation or concealer. As you can tell, look at that, guys. Look at that. There was no need for all that. But you know me, I'm just used to it, and as you can tell, you can part the hair anywhere you like. So when I'm quite satisfied with the part that I was going for, I applied mousse again just to lay the hair flatter on those areas that I actually just parted. Yeah, so when I'm quite happy with that, then I went ahead and applied my you know powder on the part. Guys, as you can tell, you don't need to do that. It's very easy for you to skip this bit. But Lillian being Lillian, I just like applying powder or concealer on my parts just to make it a little bit bigger than normal. So nothing more, nothing less. Then I applied mousse all over the hair, guys, all over the hair. Look at the curls, guys. The curls are popping. Like seriously, the curls are popping. Look at that. Look at that. I really like this hair. I like the quality of the hair. The hair is really soft. As you can tell from the way that I was running my hands through the hair, there was no shedding, there was no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of the hair, there was no such thing at all. And bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like. It's a 13x4 lace closure lace wig, so you can part the hair anywhere. You can do center part, you can do half up, half down. But I just don't want to keep repeating those styles. I just decided to go for this simple, half part look. So when I'm done with that, then I go ahead and applied the She Moisture Strengthening and Restore Leave-In Conditioner, just to give it a little bit of sheen and body, yeah. I just decided to have that because I like the fact that product enhanced my curls a lot. So that's one of those product that I use on my, you know, curly hair. And look at that, guys, the length of the hair is true to length, really. I quite like that, you know, despite the fact that it's curly hair, the hair was really long up to my belly button, which is really quite nice for a 24 inches lace closure curly wig. I am a fan, guys. I'm a fan. I really like this, you know, vendor because, you know, it's my first time collaborating with them, and I love the fact that the quality of their hair is really really good. I would love to try more of their hair because I really really love this one a lot. Like, seriously, one of those curly hair that I really like and I would love to keep, you know, in a special place. Yeah, that's it. I really really like it. This is just me, just, you know, showing you this and that kind of stuff. Nothing more, nothing less. Yes, guys. Yeah, there's a lot of tea about this hair, guys. There's a lot of tea about this hair. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the review. Look at the hairline, guys. I am a fan. Feel free to pluck more of the hairline if you like, but for me, I'm quite happy with the way the hairline is. And remember, you can style it anyhow you like. So guys, stay tuned to watch my review, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's story is all about this curly hair from Alibele hair. The hair is actually a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig and is in the length 24 inches. I show you guys the construction of the cap, and I quite like the fact that the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and also the hair has baby hair around the perimeters of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, please feel free to go ahead and add your baby hair to the hair, but actually brush my baby hair into the hair entirely, so I didn't do any baby hair at all. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while now, you know that I don't really do much of baby hair, not because I'm not a pro at it, but I just don't, you know, like baby hair really. But if you decide that I like it, please feel free to add baby hair because it comes with baby hair, as I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. And another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that immediately I saw the hair, I was like, wow, like seriously, the curls were popping straight from the box. So if you're the type that like proper curly hair, then I'll definitely recommend you get this hair. The curls were popping straight from the box, and even when I actually added the mousse, it actually enhanced the curls more. So if you're the type that like the wet kind of look, then feel free to add some oil or, you know, whatever you fancy to the hair. Then it's going to enhance the hair and give it that voluminous look that I've got right now. But if you're the type that like your hair like big hair, don't care, then, you know, restrict from adding any products whatsoever on the hair. Just brush the curls out and you get that voluminous big hair kind of look. So if that's what you're going for, you can get that with this hair as well. If you're like me that you like wet curls, then yes, you can add as, you know, many products as you like. I was actually scared that adding 3 products to this hair was going to weigh it down, but as you can tell, there was no such thing at all. The hair was still very silky and, you know, soft to touch, as you can tell. And also there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of this hair. And another thing I noticed is the fact that if you're the type that like that extra, then go ahead and pluck your hair more. But for me, I think I quite like this. I think I quite like the hairline the way it is. But if you're the type that like the extra bit, then feel free to pluck your hair more. But I am quite happy with the way the hairline looks straight from the box. I don't have any problem with that at all. And also another thing that I noticed about this vendor is the fact that their shipping was really quick, guys. Really quick. When I mean quick, it's about 3 days. It took about 3 days to get here in the UK, and I was quite blown away, like seriously. So in terms of their shipping, then I would definitely recommend you go for it in case you have that, you know, event to attend and you really quickly need your hair. I definitely recommend that you purchase from them because you rest assured that you get your hair in 3 days, depending on where you're based. So if you live, you know, like in US for example, I think you might get it earlier than 3 days, so depending on where you're based really. So apart from that, I just want you guys to know that on their website they've got loads and loads of affordable hair. They've got silky straight, they've got
curly hair, they have bundles, they have closures, they have all types of hair on their website. And another thing that I like about their hair is the fact that the quality of their hair is really amazing. As you guys can tell, that the hair was just going down like slowly with motions, which I really like about the hair. The quality of their hair is really good. This is my first time working with them, but I quite appreciate the fact that the quality of their hair is very good and very nice. I was able to get that volume that I was looking for with the hair, which I quite like a lot. Also, in terms of the length, the hair is actually true to length in my opinion, because when I stretched the hair for you guys, it was below my belly button, which is quite amazing in my opinion. Considering the fact that the hair is actually a curly hair, they are quite generous with their length, which I really like a lot. It's like long enough for 24 inches. So depending on the look you're going for, I stood up earlier to show you guys that. And another thing that I like about the hair is the fact that you don't have to do a lot to install this hair. All you need to do is just, you know, apply your cap and cut the lace and apply your glue, and you're good to go. It's as easy as that. And another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that there was no need for me to apply any powder or foundation or concealer on the part, but you guys know me that I'm already used to that, so I had to do that with this hair. But it's not necessary at all, you can skip that bit. And another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that it's a glueless lace wig, so you can use the elastic strap at the back of the wig to install the hair or secure the hair, or you can use the, you know, comb at the back of the wig to secure the wig as well. If you're the type that like to take off your wig every night and you don't have the time to, you know, glue your hair or apply any gel or whatever on it, then there is an option for you to go with the, you know, elastic strap and the comb in the wig without needing to go for any gel or glue. Also, please bear in mind that you can style the hair anyhow you like, because it's a 13x4 lace closure, so you can part it up to here. You have like up to 4 inches, you know, part at the middle of the hair, so you can part it anywhere you like within the 13x4 closure. And also bear in mind that you can do the half up half down style if that's the look you're going for. You can do that with this hair, and also you can use the comb at the back of the hair to secure the hair, and also do it like a rough bun style if that's the look you prefer. So you can style it anyhow you like depending on the look you're going for, so you can, you know, manipulate the hair however you like it. I just don't want to keep going on and repeating the same style every now and then, so that's why I thought, well, I'll just, you know, go ahead and show you guys how to install the hair and tell you guys my thoughts about the hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the video and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.